anyways, today we're going to the river, and if you're wondering where I am, we're in Dominica with my family, my relative, y'all know. Anyways, let's go to the river. We have to go to drive, and let's go. Let's hit the road. It's too low, you know, and there's like rocks, so yeah. But anyways, guys, check out the greenery. That's my favorite part about it. Guys, you wish you were here. Guys, if you see, I'm mostly carrying all this stuff. Ugh. Okay, guys. This wasn't a short thing, okay? That was actually kind of cool. That looks fun. As you can see, you guys, this is my mom going on the bridge. She's scared. That's my mom. I want to do it. That looks cool. Mommy, I got your things. Okay, guys, that was really scary. I'm shivering right now. Well, you guys, look at that. He has a little like thing. Oh my god, you guys, I am shivering. Okay. As you can see, look at this. That was fun and scary. Whoa, you guys, look at this. It's a pink flower. I'm giving like a Japan kind of thing with these kind of flowers, you guys. Oh my god, guys, look at this. This feels like fall. This actually feels like fall. Oh, guys, in our kind of state, I mean country, not country, island, island. We use tires as like tires as where you put the dirt in it. It's just like those flowers. It's like those tires. We use tires instead of like those pots. We use tires instead, cause you know, pottery and stuff. Anyways, whoa, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. I think those are coconuts. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Whoa. Guys, look at that bed. I don't know who's living in there. Oh my god, guys, look at that bamboo. Whoa, you guys, look. Whoa, guys, look at this. Daddy, look. Look at this. Look at this zip line. Whoa, I actually want to go on that. Guys, I would do this, actually. Is this even... Guys, look at this cat. So cute. What's that? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't... Meow, wow, wow. Meow, wow. Anyways, guys, meet my cousin. Say hi, Liam. Anyways, this is my cousin Liam. He's really mischievous sometimes, but I still love him. Anyways, this is like an adventure, you guys. Look at this bamboo. Look at the leaves. Look at all of this. One heck of a planet. Okay, guys, over there it's called calabash, and they people used to cut it up and put it into food and let it dry. And so it's here, guys. So If I took it right now, I've been so good in my food. We coming? Okay, guys. The turtle? Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. There's guys, look, it's turtles, chickens. Look at that. There's blue. Oh, look at those. Oh yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pick one.
Yeah, there's 10. Wow. Let's see the chickens. Wow. That is so cool. Is that poo? Oh, that's not poo. That's a pig. Where? Oh! Oh, that's a guinea pig. Or is that a capybara? I think. Oh, that's a capybara. A capybara. I think it's a capybara.
Oh, that's a one.
Oh, Dad, look, there's more inside there.
That's a one.
That's not a rat. That looks like a capybara or like a. I think it's a capybara. So there's, look, Daddy, there's more behind here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 turtles. Oh, 19 turtles. 20. Oh, 21. I'm like, not 20. Yeah. Oh, yeah, 20. 21. Yeah, 21. Oh, Liam, be careful. Be careful. What are these? Ants? Yeah. Look at these, you guys. This is so exciting, you guys. Look at the turtles. Look at the chickens. Baka! Baka! Wait, where did that rat go? Oh my god, it's right here. Oh, what? Careful, Liam. Okay, guys, we're going deeper into the. Oh God, oh God, Lord, help me. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this is actually so steep. We're taking too many turns. Oh shoot. Yeah, I can't go. I don't know where we're supposed to go. Okay. Okay, let's see over here. Okay. Okay, guys, we're going more deeper. Be careful. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these flowers. These are some beautiful leaves, you guys. These are one beautiful leaves, you guys. So, yeah. Look at that lizard. I want to catch one so bad, but I can't. Oh, guys, I love how they made bamboo into. Oh, is this the place where we spawned? Is this where the place? Oh, oh. Are you okay? Oh, is this where? Oh, I'm not. Oh, I'm not sharing there, man. Oh, is this where the hot spring is? Okay, I think. Okay, guys, this is the hot spring. Okay, there's like no diving, no using of soap in the pool. Oh. Mm-hmm. Guys, wow. So is this where how that turns orange? Look at that, you guys.
It's not deep. Okay.
It's like a tub. Yeah. Guys, look at this. I see how the what's it called? the summer spring turned like orange like that. It's from this like um it looks like these little like oh it's like painted. It looks like painted, but yeah, it's orange. Wow. Guys, this is mostly like a stream. Wow. I feel like you have to shower over here before you get in. Yeah. Or is that just a G? Oh. Oh my god, lizard. An old bathtub. Okay guys, this is the abandoned tub. Yeah. Oh guys, look at that. Is that like a little that's a nice string. Are we going way up? Okay, guys, we're going back upstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, 1, 2. Oh God. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, guys, look at that. Let's go over here. Okay, follow me, you guys. Oh, shoot. Wow, you guys, look at this. Whoa. Oh, is this the men's summer spring? You're pushing me. That's what's happening. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is like, I think. We have to clean ourselves first too. Wow. Hey guys, if you're wondering where I'm at right now, I'm in TK Locho. Hi everyone. If you're wondering where I am in TK Locho, also called Summer Spring, and I'm really liking it. It's really warm, so yeah. Anyways, we have like this orange kind of thing. Don't worry, it's not like anything dangerous. You see how warm is the water? It's like warm. It's not that hot. Like the other one was extreme. So yeah, it was fun. So yeah, it's warm. Yeah, I'm gonna go swimming. Anyways, bye. Bye, my little lolly.
Where you at, Liam? What's your head, Ava? Ava, what's your head? Yeah. Lexi, say hi.
Oh, I'm in Sequin.
Okay, guys. This is that's the last thing we have to do. It's getting dark. But anyways, I'm so happy you joined me into this wonderful Dominican adventure, and I hope you loved it too, as me. So, guys, always stay safe and bye, my little Ellie. Subscribe and hit the button.